Hi guys, how are you? I think you are doing well. So in this video I am going to show you how can you read WhatsApp deleted messages. You can see here I am in my WhatsApp. So from my WhatsApp I am sending a message to my another ID. You can see here I am sending a message another ID. Then I will open my another WhatsApp. You can see here my another WhatsApp, and now you can see my another ID. I got a message hi. So now I will unsend this, unsend those messages. You can see here from here I going to unsend. You can see here delete for everyone. Delete for everyone. So now if I go my this account, I will can see here, you can see here the message was deleted. So after sending one person you a message, they unsend before you send. So how can you see the message? You can see here I will see those messages. You can see here, you can see here I have been deleted the message, but the message have been deleted, but you can see here the message is available right now. So how can you do that? So before I showing the process, I will ask you for something. Please subscribe my channel and hit the like. So for doing that, in your phone have to have a app. So the app you will got in Play Store. For this reason you have to search here NOTISAVE. You can see here Notisave app. So the app you have to install. I have been install the app before, so I will open it simply. So after installing the app, you have to open the app simply. You can see here I opened. You can see here save notification. So you have to click next, and then you have to allow. Have to click on allow, and then you have to click here next, and you have to click here notification access to all the thing. You have to click in all the thing, allow. Then you have to get back from here. You can see here, then you have to click here allow. Then you can see here loading app list. So you have to click here next, and you can see here notification from selected apps will be blocked on start bar. So you have to click all apps. So and then you have to get back from here. You can see here. Then you will can say allow. You have to click here next, and you will can say allow 9 apps to display floating window. So you have to here by next. Then you will can see here the setting have been finished. So now you can read any message from any other person who sent you a message, but before see you the message they deleted or unsent, you will can see the message. So the process will be work if in your phone have the app from before. If in your phone have not the app, then from installing the app the process will be start. So I want to say that simply. And so if you have any question related to the video, you can ask me in my comment box, and also I provided my Facebook link in description. You can connect also me for my Facebook. Thank you.